Hey guys, welcome back for another video for CGC 345. This week's assignment number 6, is for Culinary Coding, creating a miniature game that has a couple sequencing steps to basically create a food with a mutation for my class of a main entree. And so for my main entree, I chose a cheeseburger. And go ahead and get dived in here. So as you can see, this is the cheeseburger that you're going to build throughout the game. And basically the game is played just by collecting the parts on the 2D scroller. And as you can see at the top, it tells you how long you've been playing for the game, and it's not necessarily a time requirement, but rather the game is based off of jumps. So you can't see it. It's part of the secret of the game that you kind of have to find out as you're playing. Oh, perfect, right there. If you jump too many times, aka 10 times, you automatically lose the game. So you basically just have to time your jumps correctly and use it right. There, what you just saw was the pause menu, which you can either click continue to go back in, or I can just press P to pause or unpause, and then quit game. Obviously, quits the game on the button. So as you go through, you're just collecting all the the pieces of the parts to the sandwich. You have the lettuce, the tomato, the burger, the cheese, and then once you've collected all the parts, obviously you'll win, and you have to, that's like the last part or whatever. So once you get all of them, yeah, you win, and you can play again. So now let's go ahead and dive into the nodes. First up, we have the kind of the timer. This is just the timer in general and how it's set up, counting by minutes and seconds for the entire time. Next up, it's the actual timer, display. So the text right there it's not going to be obviously that mashed, but just because of the way it is in the game, so small text. And then here is what actually, allows it to be shown and stuff. Next up, we have the overall, of everything, the coding for everything. So here's my health, aka the jumps. You have 100 health, and each time you jump or press spacebar, in this case, you lose 10 health. Therefore, you have 10 jumps. And then once you use your 10 jumps, it casts out to the you lose. Next up, we have the pause menu. Pretty basic pause menu. So got that going for me. And then next up, the timer widget, which actually allows it to be displayed. All that jazz. Then we got the pause menu, what it looks like, and then the nodes behind it, what you click and what it does. Next is the you lose menu, and how it responds once you click the button for a quit game. Try again, and then the you win, yay, play again, and then the respawning for it as well. And the in game, what this does is this allows you to, once you collect all the pieces to the cheeseburger, this is what spits out that you win screen. So it's just it's like, hey, you collected all the pieces, good job, and boom, you win. And adds it to the viewport. So once again, guys, thanks for watching my video on the culinary code for this week's project. Thanks again always for watching. Catch you next time. Adios.